What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and today we're going to be e-biking around Mammoth Lakes, so stay tuned. Well, they say when you're in Mammoth, you got to go on a bike ride, so that's what we're doing today, right Robin?
Yep, we're going to head to Twin Lakes, maybe we'll do a little hike around there, but we'll figure it out when we get there.
Yeah, we'll show you around. Okay, so way over there's a hole in the wall, and they call it a lava hole, even though it's not a lava hole at all. It's just been eroded over time, but that's the name they give it, but there's a little hole over there. So if you're adventurous enough to climb up there, you probably go inside there, but I don't know if I would recommend that, being that it's on that cliff over there. So finding out a little more about it, you could probably see some little like runs there. So in the wintertime, this is like an out-of-bounds ski, sort of like not on the ski resort, but people will come out here and ski, and they'll actually go through that little hole. So a little more braver than I am, but hey, All right, we made it to Lake Mary. We're gonna just take a look around, so we parked the bikes. We're also gonna go into this little place here, see if we can find anything for our lunch. It has to be vegan, so hopefully they have some options there. Well, there really wasn't much in there for vegans. There's barely any food in there, so we're gonna have to check something else out. This is Lake Mary, so it's not huge, but it's big enough to take boats on. As you can see, people take boats out on here, and you got a beautiful view of the mountains. And that's where we were when we went to the store. They unfortunately don't really have much to buy, so I would recommend, if you're gonna come to Lake Mary, make sure you bring food with you, because there's not really a whole lot of offering here. All right, now we're at Twin Lakes. We're gonna see if this store actually has a little bit more options for food, because at Lake Mary, like I said, if you're gonna go there, make sure you bring your lunch or food with you, because they don't really have a whole lot of options there. All right, so we scored some peanut butter. Robin, we got these little peanut butter individual things, and we do have a plastic knife, we have some bread, and so we're going to make peanut butter sandwiches. And we got some sparkling water with a little bit of lemon and a little bit of lime, one each. And we're gonna sit by this one of the Twin Lakes, and we're gonna have lunch. All right, so we're just gonna sit on these rocks and we're gonna have our lunch looking out over this lake. What do you think, Robin? You gonna make some sandwiches?
Yeah, we're gonna make some sandwiches.
All righty. So if you're watching the whole video from the beginning, you know that we got the sheep herder's bread in Bishop from a place called Shat's Bakery, and that's what we're gonna use for our sandwiches. We're just gonna spread the peanut butter on. Looks like the ducks are out today. Hey, ducks. Yeah, I think Hey, little ducky, you eating that? Ducks are coming over to the beach here. Hey, little ducks. Sometimes the longer you look at something, then the more you see. I didn't even see that house on the other side of this lake, but now I see it. And also it looks like there's some sort of mudslide thing or something over there that happened. It's a tiny lake, but there's some interesting things around this lake. Well, we're back on the path again, and we're going to go to Twin Lakes Vista, which is a view of the lakes. So it should be pretty cool. All right, so we put the bikes aside for a moment, and we're just gonna take a little break, and we're gonna have a beer here, I guess, which we normally don't drink, but we're gonna have some at, what's it called again?
Mammoth Brewing Company.
The Mammoth Brewing Company. So we're just gonna sit out here and enjoy for a little bit. All right, we're gonna take a little walk around the village, see what's here. Robin, what do you think?
Yeah, we walked around it a couple times, but it was always later at night, so now we'll see what's open during the day.
Yep. All right, we made it back, and it was a lot of fun. I'm sorry, go ahead.
It was great.
Yeah, it was great. We didn't go that far, and we're on e-bikes, but I'll tell you, it's very hilly here, so we did hit a lot of hills, but we also got some great views, and we showed it to you. So I do recommend, if you are in Mammoth, to go for a couple bike rides. They have a nice bike path you can go on, so you get away from the cars, and it's awesome, right?
Yep. The altitude is an issue though, so be aware of that.
Yeah, because you're up about 9,000 feet from the get-go, so as you go up, you're actually even going up higher. So the altitude does get to you a little bit, but we've been here for a few days and you slowly get used to it a little bit. And that's a wrap. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I really appreciate all of you. I can't even express how much I appreciate you all for watching my videos and just letting me just have a lot of fun doing this. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and that way YouTube will know to push this video out to others that can benefit from it. And if you have any comments on any other bike ride that you've gone on, or any comments or questions about this specific bike ride or any other ones, leave them in the comments below, and that way we can all learn from each other, and I will join you down there very soon. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell notification, and that way you'll be notified every time I put out a healthy living video. And if you know anybody who can use videos like this, make sure you share the video and the channel with them so they can join in on all the fun. And for more tips on how to live a happier, healthier life, 2 videos are going to pop up any moment, and you can click on any of those videos and you can continue your happy, healthy living journey. And I'll see you all next time.